Vada pav is not healthier, but it is famous in Maharashtra.
That's a waste.
ये हेल्दी थोड़ी है, जंक फूड हो गया ना ये।
सेहत के लिए भी ठीक है।
Mumbai's favorite street food is facing an identity crisis. Somewhere between taste and nutrition, this iconic snack has become the center of a surprisingly fierce debate. A new generation wants to reinvent this cheap, fast, and filling dish with less oil, more protein, and healthier ingredients. Presenting the Vada Pav Danish.
If you go to see a lot of the savory Danish pastries around the world, is a take on a great sandwich. Why not the vada pav? So we said, why not elevate a little bit of it, not change a lot. It has all the elements that a regular vada pav in Mumbai would have. Loads of butter with vada pav. How can we go wrong?
This creative fusion transforms a street staple into a multi-layered, buttery delicacy. And for those looking to skip the deep fryer entirely, there's the baked vada pav.
So every piece of baked vada pav that we do is precisely weighed and measured before it's dispatched. The ideology of making the baked vada pav was to keep the soul of the classic vada pav intact, but not changing the flavors. I had to really work upon the flavor profiles without disturbing the OG vada pav. I had to keep the bold flavors of the batata vada, the green chutney, and the coconut chutney. It's a common man's burger, no mess, bite size, and easy to go.
But move away from the cafes and you hit the original turf. The place many credit with starting Mumbai's obsession, Ashok Vada Pav.
मैं बचपन से वड़ा पाव खाता हूँ और अशोक वड़ा पाव का नाम बहुत सुना था और खाने में वर्टेड है, बेस्ट टेस्ट है इसका और रेट देना चाहता हूँ 5 out of 3.
But between nostalgia and nutrition, the street side debate gets real.
मैं जिमर हूँ, मैं नहीं खाता हूँ। ये हेल्दी थोड़ी है, जंक फूड हो गया ना ये। हेल्दी कहाँ से हुआ? ये मुंबई घर वाले के लिए बहुत बेटर है। अभी आप देख सकते हो, लाइन तो देखो, हर एक वड़ा पाव का क्रेज देखो, लाइन लगा के वड़ा पाव ले रहे हैं, तो समझो कितना क्रेज है वड़ा पाव का।
And if you ask the people who sell it every day, they'll tell you the original still has the biggest fan following.
Mumbai is equal to vada pav. Vada pav is equal to Mumbai. The vada, along with the pav, along with some spices, is a wholesome option. You know, people round it off with a cutting chai, and by the time they reach home, they are full. You know, that's their food till they reach home.
Bake it, stuff it, or reinvent it. But in the heart of Maharashtra, the classic soul of this dish remains undefeated. Even the creators experimenting with it agree.
My personal belief is that we may jazz up food as much as we want by putting all the latest new ingredients, but we always want something that's familiar, so we always return home.
Nothing was missing from the OG vada pav. The whole soul of the vada pav is still intact. It's just different clothes are being worn on a single body.
So there is a saying, old is gold. So nothing new is going to replace the old. It will add to the old.
So what's your go-to? Are you sticking with the classic street OG, or are you ready to try something experimental?
Most people scroll past stories like these. We don't. Plug TV dives into hidden cultures, real communities,
लोग बोलते हैं कि घर का मर्द कौन है, पर मैं घर की औरत ही हूँ और औरत से ही आगे बढ़ रही हूँ। मेरा मन करे तो इस ऑटो से भी नहीं, एरोप्लेन चलाने का मन करता है, मेट्रो चलाने का मन करता है। पहले तो लग रहा है कि मौका मिले तो मेट्रो का ट्रेन चलाऊं।
Disappearing traditions,
Actually, Morung is a dormitory for the young male, actually, you know. So it's like an institution in the olden days where they come and learn the skills in many ways.
So this is not just a shelter, but it is all about our identity, our cultural heritage.
and voices you've probably never heard before.
मैं नहीं चाहता कि लोग मुझे इस चीज़ से जाने कि मैं क्या सह के बैठा हूँ। मेरे स्किल्स, मेरा टैलेंट, मेरा गे होने या मेरे ट्रॉमा से बहुत बढ़ के है।
From bustling city streets to hidden villages, from forgotten art forms to stories changing the world.
एक कारीगर बनने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है, कितना परिश्रम लगता है और कितना दुख कष्ट सहते हैं।
This is storytelling that feels real. Because we're all powered by stories. Raw, human, real. This is Plug TV.